Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to pursue their master degree in IITs. So this is the question number 828 from section A. Therefore, it is an MCQ type question, hence only one option is correct among these given four options. So let's see what is in this question. The pKa increases in the order of, so we need to find the right answer among these four given options. As we know, the lower the pH, the higher the concentration of hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions. The lower the pKa, the stronger will be the acid, and the greater its ability to donate protons. Hence, the correct pKa in increasing order is NH3OH plus, then N2H5 plus, then NH3, and lastly NH3, that is ammonia. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.